This is BAD-502 on the plate. Not something and see the shared 502 cubes. Blaine
from Maryland, New South Wales, and the Fireys are quick on the scene over there to have a bit of look and see what's going on. But you're right, it's a 502 cubic inch engine on board, and you've got obviously lots of other bits and pieces as well, too long to list. But great stuff out there for the Holden HQ utility of Shane McDonald from New South Wales.
Yeah, I tell you what, I saw a little bit of a flame underneath and then it disappeared, and I thought, oh, I might have been seeing things, but then yeah, we did have a slight little blaze in the engine bay. You can see the flames coming out of the gap between the bonnet and the guard, little tiny flame coming out. So, but congratulations to the Fireys for spotting that straight away. They were straight on it.
Well, I must say, and I'll do it throughout the weekend as well, is the Fireys, all of our safety, all of our officials, all of our volunteers, they do a sterling effort. Our ambulance crew, you name it, anyone who's out here on board to help anybody to enjoy their weekend does a fantastic job at it. And our Fireys are second to none. If they were crap, we wouldn't have them. So that is what happens. And those guys spend all day in their fire suits, hoping not to have to use them, but of course they're on the scene if they ever have to.
Yeah, there's a bit of fluid underneath there. I'm not sure if that's coolant or oil, but it doesn't look like it's